Hello and welcome once again, Queen Bee Squad and everybody who's watching. This is simplify ko. This time I will simplify the way I fold the fitted sheets so that you can see clearly. Okay, so these two edges, yung hems there. And then I'll grab the other side, inside out, and then the other side as well. And then I'll slide it in. Align it to those two hems on the edge. Okay, so like that. Meet them together and over the other. See? So it's like that after, and then we put these two, make it straight like a square technically, and then let's meet halfway, fold halfway, and fold the other way halfway. Them it together. Make sure to massage it to flatten it. There. And there you go. You have your nicely folded fitted sheets. I hope it helped you.